Hello guys, today in this video I am going to let you through a small tutorial of getting started with Solidworks. Solidworks is a design software developed by A.S.A Systems and launched in 1995. It is one of the best softwares of design field like CATIA, Pro-E, CAD, CAM, AutoCAD, etc. So let us look into it. So this is the Solidworks. First one foremost that we should look into it is the main parts of the SolidWorks. So it consists of three main features. First one is called part. In part, it is the field of the space where our ideas are put in, or the ideas which are given life or some shape. The basic solid modeling is done here in part. Coming to the second one, which is called assembly. Assembly means the ideas or solid models that we have done in part are assembled here in this one. The third one is called drawing. It is the space for 2D drawing, 2D engineering drawing, and orthographic views are drawn here. So for understanding and for designing, we should choose the part. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the graphical user interface of the SolidWorks part for design and solid modeling. So as you can see, this is the toolbar. So these are sketch tools for sketching. This is a toolbar. These are the sketch tools for sketching. This is line, this one is circle, spline, arcs, rectangles, polygons, and straight slots, center slots, etc. These are the sketch tools required for basic designs or basic solid modelings. Coming to the features here, we could give the object or a design a solid figure. This is extrude boss base, revolve boss base, and these extruded cut, hole wizard. These we would be learning in the later sessions. Coming to the sketch. Coming here, these are the views. This is the front plane, top plane, right plane. This is the front plane, top plane, right plane. This we have three views in the SolidWorks, and this is called specification tree. As you can see, it consists of X, Y, and Z axis. Coming here, we could see the views: top view, front view, back side view, bottom view, left side view, and the perspective view. So let's get started with a simple diagram to know how the SolidWorks software works. So for the sample sake, I am taking a small glass. Let us design or make a small glass for drinking a water. So for this, I am choosing this top plane. I am making it normal. This is the top plane. I am choosing sketch and selecting circle here. Right. I have chosen a circle here. One more, we could, for any objects, the units are merged and foremost. So from here we could choose the units. Presently it is in mmgs, millimeter, gram second. We have four kinds of units: mks, cgs, mmgs, and ips, or British Standard units. So I am shifting to cgs units, centimeter, gram, and second for our convenience. Yes. Coming to smart dimension, top plane, sketch, smart dimension. So I am giving it it 5 centimeters. Right. This is a 5 centimeter diameter circle. Right. Now clicking on features, extruded boss base. Now we should give a solid figure to this. So selecting the height of the glass is 15. No. Some 8. Let us see. I think it's too long. 5. Too short. 7. Yes. I think 7 would be reasonable for a glass. 7 centimeters. As you can see, it has become a solid cylinder, a solid object. So as we all know, the glass should be hollow to drink water or anything. So let this make the cylinder a hollow one. So taking the right side plane, top plane, selecting sketch, drawing another circle. Right. Now I am giving the diameter as 4 centimeters. I think it's too large. I think 4.5 would be appropriate. I think so. .5 centimeters. Right. So the inner circle is of 4.5 centimeters. Now we should make a hollow. Go into features, extruded cut, selecting this. Reverse direction. Giving 6 centimeters. As you can see, 6 centimeters is more. 6.5 centimeters. 6.5 centimeters. Yes. Now we have cut, or we did a hollow to the cylinder of 6.5 centimeters depth. Yes, now it is a hollow cylinder, but we could not call it as a glass. Of course we could call it, but we should do some more developments to this now. I'm choosing the fillet option here, taking this edge here. So yes, this is called a glass now. Yes, it is perfectly called a glass now. I am giving it a more advancement, or a good finish rather. Sorry, I have not said. For giving a good finish here, I am choosing the appearance here. In that appearance, metal, I have chosen metal. As we all know that glasses are mostly of metals only. So for I am choosing metal here, polished gold. Yes, this would be better. Right. Now this is a gold glass. I think it's worth some ₹1,000 now, as you know gold is very much costlier now. Yes, this is the gold glass. Yes, it came up pretty good now. As you can see, the fillet here, plain surface, the hollow one. So this is the basic of using the Solidworks. We could do more advancements here when we require, but for now I think it is sufficient for this now. So guys, I think you have got an idea of how to using Solidworks now. It is a very easy software, I think, than other softwares. So thank you for being patient and watching this. Hope you would like it. Hope you would like it. So we would see our next solids or next models in other videos. So thanks for now. Goodbye.